would like to share something with you. My name is Marjo and I'm living in Belgium. I have been following the English teaching course for yoga teachers. I had experience of Kundalini and Vinyasa training in addition to Ayurveda, but this is in French. I never speak English in Belgium. My mother tongue is French and I speak Dutch too. I had an opportunity to give a workshop in English and I was frustrated because the translation didn't work. I lacked vocabulary and also the pronunciation. I didn't know how to express myself the same way I can in French. I have an adventurous spirit and my goal is to work abroad in Seychelles Islands. During the course, I feel supported by Annie, who is available and very encouraging. Everyone evolves at their own pace and the support is personalized. At any time you can contact other members of the team. I didn't feel alone and the live sessions are super motivating. The worksheets are really good exercise for the reflection and improvement. Annie gives us the tool for optimal communication with the vocabulary builder, sentence structure. The platform is very intuitive and great source. Enga invites us to tame our obstacles, fears, limiting beliefs, and unleash our creative potential to work abroad and create an international career. I would like to organize retreats for people with an interest in Ayurvedic massage, practice of yoga, balanced diet according to Ayurveda, and creative workshops to access a better relationship with their bodies and take action. Maybe also online support for the students in yoga. This will come to life with the digital coaching with Annie. I know. I am really confident. I am grateful to take part of this course with Enga Unite. It's much more than an English course for yoga teachers. It's also a space to find our personal expression as a well-being facilitator, a yoga teacher, and review our goals and develop our own programs. You can stay yourself in another language and share your passion with more people everywhere. I only knew 20 words of English a few months ago, but I found all the tools and support to evolve during these 4 months of the first training. I'm determined to get involved and I trust Annie for that. It's a caring team that welcomes you with arms wide open.